We continue to monitor the flu situation, alerting you and your family to any new developments. And here's what we know tonight. Mercy Health Partners today changed its visitation policy to prevent the spread of the flu, limiting visitors now to just 2 at a time. They're also requiring people to sanitize their hands before and during their visit, and they strongly discourage children under the age of 16 from making any visits. Kent County today announcing it will hold H1N1 vaccination clinics the next 3 Saturdays. You do have to call 211, the United Way line, to make an appointment.
More fallout following a dispute over the seasonal flu vaccine. 24-hour News 8 has been contacting West Michigan hospitals. Jessica Leffler is live in Grand Rapids with the latest on what she found out. Jess?
Susie, Brian, there's been a lot of confusion over flu vaccinations, especially seasonal ones, in light of H1N1. Now new questions are being raised tonight over employees at hospitals and whether they should be required to do so as well. We broke it all down.
I was raised a Christian, and it was my belief that I feel like God created us in His image. He created our body and created our immunity.
Rachel Denherter, a part-time respiratory therapist, has her job on the line at Helen DeVos Children's Hospital. She doesn't want a seasonal vaccination, and Spectrum makes its vaccinations mandatory. Spectrum isn't the only one. We found a number of hospitals across West Michigan that make vaccinations for employees a must, including Battle Creek Health Systems and Bronson Hospital. Folks at Bronson Hospital say it's a precaution for patients as well as healthcare workers to get their seasonal shots.
During an influenza epidemic like we're in now, or the normal influenza season, one of the biggest risks to being in the hospital is getting an infectious disease that's contagious like influenza. So we felt that it was our responsibility, professionally and ethically, to protect our patients against that risk.
We discovered several hospitals have a voluntary program, for instance, Metro Hospital in Grand Rapids.
Metro Health does not have a mandatory vaccination policy for either the seasonal or the H1N1 flu vaccines. However, we do strongly encourage that our employees receive both vaccinations.
Also using the voluntary approach, St. Mary's, Mercy General Health, Partners, and Borges. If an employee fills out a form declining to take a seasonal vaccine at Metro Hospital, depending on the reason, it will determine whether an employee is contacted.
In other instances, if the reason is fear or they've heard rumors about the vaccine, that declination form provides an opportunity for our employee health or infection prevention departments to contact them to give them some more education so that they can make a more informed decision.
We have all you need to know about the flu. Just go to our website at woodtv.com and click on the flu section. For now, we're live in downtown Grand Rapids. I'm Jessica Leffler, 24-hour News 8. Back to you.
Thank you, Jessica.